Hey, welcome to this video. This is going to be on a 2010 Toyota Camry, and this one here, all we're going to do is change out the headlight assemblies. They wanted a little more visibility, and they didn't want to do a headlight restoration, so they wanted to change out the headlight assemblies. I also recommended that they go with the LED bulbs, but they said they'll hold off on that for right now. So we're going to take care of the headlight assemblies, make sure all the bulbs work, and get it back to them. So enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. And as always, keep God first in everything that you do. All right. See you on the next video.